This video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off safe mode on your TCL Google TV. You look in the left lower aspect of your TCL Google TV and you see this option safe mode. That actually means that safe mode is actually turned on. So in this video, let me show you how to turn off safe mode. This is what you're going to do. You're actually going to look at your TV remote right here. You're going to press the settings button right here to have this display on the right. Now you're actually going to move to the real settings right there. All settings, press OK. Now then you have this shown on your screen. Okay, now I want you to pay attention. You move down to system. When you go to system, you're going to press on system, then move down. You're going to move down till where you see the option of restart right there. So when you reach the restart option, get your TV remote and then press OK. And then you're going to see the two options, cancel, restart. So you're going to select the upper option of restart, then you press OK. So then they show you shutting down. So your TV is actually going to restart. So when your TV now finishes restarting, you'll notice that the safe mode words that were actually there in the left lower aspect of your TV are not there anymore. As you can see, it's now safe mode has actually been turned off on your TCL Google TV. Consider subscribing if you actually pick value in this video. See you next time.